So you list everything in your life that takes more than 15 minutes. Okay? What's that? Okay, so ready? This is going to stress you out. Okay, if you're a kid, 11th grader. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm stressed out. Getting ready for school. Transportation. School. Transportation. Sports, practice, lessons, tutoring, therapy, breakfast, lunch, dinner, test prep, practice of other things, reading for fun, playing video games, YouTube, playing on your phone, chores, Snapchat, church or similar, volunteering. And sleep. We forgot sleep. Okay, and what else did we forget? Homework. Okay, so that's a lot of stuff. Okay, so then you list all the things, and then you start marking them where they go, okay, on here. And you start with sleep. Okay, you start with sleep. I'm not the sleep guy, but I've been paying attention to the sleep guy, Matthew Walker. You know, he's been talking about this. Okay, you know what happens if you don't sleep 8 hours a night? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is fun. So for years now, I've been telling students, and teenagers, you want to get a teenager to sleep more? You remind them that if you don't sleep enough, you get dumb and you get ugly. Fixed. You're welcome. But it's actually much worse than that. If you don't sleep 8 hours a night, you are putting yourself at greater risk of cancer and Alzheimer's and infertility. Dumb, ugly, cancer, Alzheimer's, infertility. If you don't sleep 8 hours a night. But you're thinking, but wait, I don't get 8 hours of sleep and I'm the man. Well, maybe you're one of the 1 in 4 million people who enjoys this mutation in their sleep gene. If you believe you're 1 in 4 million, then bully for you. Otherwise, you're lying to yourself, but that's okay. We all lie to ourselves. Everyone's delusional. We all lie to ourselves. Study skills are to help you police your delusions. That's why you review everything on the weekends. All right? Okay, so when you fill all this thing out, you mark homework last, and you're going to find that really what the kid is going to find is that unless your kid is one of these super duper schmooper over-programmed kids who goes to the most demanding of schools where they make you do 14 or more hours a week of homework, then your kid is going to discover, wait, I totally have way more time than I thought I did. And you're like, see, you do have time for 4 hours a week of chores, right?